Yeah. Since, as you've seen in the other previous videos, I'm still currently unable to match any form of blade or paw against the metal robot dog. I decided to do what I usually do when I feel like I can't beat a boss. I'm entering grind mode. I'm going to basically go through a bunch of paths I've already killed the boss at, and basically collect a large amount of money, kill a bunch of enemies, get more experience, all that stuff. That way I can upgrade my equipment, possibly get stronger and kill the thing. There's just some enemies in the end you have to the monster enemies you either have to kill quickly or you tank then kill quickly. So for now we're gonna be doing the first grind bloodline. We're just gonna do nothing but collect more and more money and funds. This will be each time I do a grind build, I'm gonna go onto a different path, and hopefully things will change. No matter what happens, I will not be entering these story-based areas. For now, I'm just staying strictly to the areas I've beaten. Because currently, I am not strong enough to take on Metal Robot Dog. Every Infinity Blade game, except the only game that ever actually requires grinding overall, is the last one, Infinity Blade 3, because it's far more campaign structured. You basically reach in the end, no matter how the way the game's designed, you basically reach the proper level to fight Goloth, no matter what happens. Goloth is, I'm not gonna tell you until since we're still on Infinity Blade 2. Anyways, let's go through this area. This will be the first grinding section. I think I'll do the Stone Demon's path first, because it usually has the biggest. It has the longest. It's basically the stone paths. The stone path has a far longer reach than the other. No. Oh god damn it. Please tell me you're seeing what I'm seeing. Yep. This is a glitch I told you guys about a while back. Fuck me. Now, well, at least I keep all the stuff I gotten already. Last rebirth, keep your progress. I can keep all the stuff I get, so it doesn't really matter. This game is based on grinding. See, Infinity Blade 2 doesn't have too much grinding. Infinity Blade 3 has practically no grinding if you don't want to play, if you just want to play campaign. But the longer you play the game, the longer you'll stay just to grind. And that's the short and odd truth of it. These will be separate from the Infinity Blade 2 Let's Play thing because they aren't really main story stuff. Unless, of course, one of the videos I accidentally end up activating one of the expansions. I don't think that's going to be possible, though. I'm being very careful with how I do this. Anyways. I already got around 15 bucks. 15 gold, or whatever it is, the currency in this world is. It's a lot of grinding. Grind mode. Okay. Get full health stuff. Go in here and don't fuck around with cutscenes, so that way I can actually get the chest unlock. Just let it slowly walk. Still, once again, I have to say, I'm glad the quality of the footage looks decent overall. Hurry up so you have the weird circle can appear and I can have my fight with the enemy. Come on. There you go. No, 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 son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. It happened again. Last rebirth, build more strength. This is becoming a running joke. Okay, I'm staying away from that room for now. It's currently glitching out on me. Fine. Let's dance, doggy. I hate playing with these guys with heavy weapons. And the constant rebirths are kind of getting annoying. But I'm getting more funds, which is point is grinding thing. I'm only gonna post this on something awful stuff just because I hate wasting any footage, and the idea of basically seeing a bunch of something awful just watch me grind is kind of hilarious. Plus, because the fact that you're wasting your time watching me grind for more funds and experience on a mobile RPG. I mean, Skyrim and Dragon Age are one thing, but this ain't Skyrim. It's a lot of things, but it ain't Skyrim. I'm gonna get all the funds I can, stay away from the door that's been glitching out on me, the chest has been glitching out on me. This is how it ends. Iron Watchman, let's go. At 29, I could buy a brand new weapon now, but would it be as powerful as my current one? That's the question, isn't it? Tree may be ready to be climbed yet, but I'll wait one for one rebirth before I try anything with the tree. Looks like it's near growing pains yet. Full health. Let's take on the monster in a bit. Damn it. Wait a second. Since I'm using a heavy weapon that requires blocking as a main way of defense, and I suppose if I leveled up my shield, that would make my shield stronger and allow me to survive more of the metal dog's attacks. I usually never use a shield tactic in most of my playthroughs of this game, but it could be. There's always a first time for everything. Next time I get a level up, I'll do exactly that. Do some stuff in my shield stats. I'll do all my shield stats, I think. That could be a smart trick of mine. You may think that the path's already ended now, but it has a little bit of extra length left. Level 3 Iron Golem. Hey, it's the Iron Golem. Didn't I see you last time in Infinity Blade 1? Ah, well, looks like you're back and already dead. See you later, Iron Golem. It's nice knowing you. Let's go a different way, down here, since we couldn't do it last time. Love the enemy design. Too bad I got killed him so quickly. We still got a bit of a path left to go. Heavy punishment. Like I said, I'm going to put them all in my shield stats now. Shield stat is where it's going to be at for now. I can... Damn it. One day I'll open that door. Anyways, we're back at the old tower we first began progressing the story. And now we can finally fully search the tower, this part of the tower, which we can get to since we had progressed the story. Let's take care of this one guy here, and we'll be able to progress not progress the story, but find out what was in this tower. While dear Fane was dying. Thank you, treasures. 44, yes. Thank you so much. I will enjoy that. That is one good grinding session.